As far as demand number 54 is concerned, TCP, villages across Goa are erupting over large-scale developments being permitted. It allows a change in demography, landscape, and character. Our villages have remained unique and houses blended with environment. Mega projects, commercial projects are destroying the nature and character of village. The piecemeal change zone is creating a heartburn. Mostly, the rich and the famous, or these people who come from outside, they are applying for these zone changes which are being made with high speed. And our people who are applying for these zone changes from 100 square meters to 1,000 square meters, just small areas, they are still waiting for their zone changes to be done because these are very small ones. Regional plan, we have always been saying, is a vision of a horizon, has a horizon of 10 years. I would request the Honorable Minister to consider that our RP 2021 horizon is over, and therefore we need to have it, it's exhausted, I would say. So we need to have a new regional plan which can be started by taking everybody into confidence.